Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 3 power x minus 4 power x divided by square root of 12 power x minus 16 power x. This is equals to 1, and here we will find out the value of x. Now we will apply cross multiply, then 3 power x minus 4 power x, this is equals to square root of 12 power x minus 16 power x. Now in right hand side we have square root. If you eliminate this square root, so just take square both side. Then in left hand side here square, and in right hand side square. Now 3 power x minus 4 power x bracket power 2, and this square root is cancelled out by this square, then this is equals to 12 power x minus 16 power x. In left hand side 3 power x minus 4 power x bracket power 2, this is equals to this 12 is same as 4 times 3 bracket power x minus this 16 is same as 4 times 4 bracket power x. Now we know that a times b bracket power m, this is equals to a power m times b power m. If we apply this rule here and here, in left hand side is as it is 3 power x minus 4 power x bracket power 2, and this is equals to here 4 power x times 3 power x by using this rule. 4 power x times 3 power x, and here if we apply this rule then minus 4 power x times 4 power x. In left hand side 3 power x minus 4 power x bracket power 2, and this is equals to here 4 power x, and this 4 power x is common. If we take 4 power x is common, then here 3 power x minus 4 power x. Now this left hand side is same as 3 power x minus 4 power x times 3 power x minus 4 power x, and this right hand side, this expression, if we take in left hand side, then this is minus 4 power x bracket 3 power x minus 4 power x, and this is equals to 0. 3 power x minus 4 power x is common. If we take 3 power x minus 4 power x is common, then here 3 power x minus 4 power x, and this expression is common, then here minus 4 power x, and this is equals to 0. Now we know that if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then we can say 3 power x minus 4 power x, this is equals to 0, and here 3 power x minus 4 power x minus 4 power x, this is equals to 0. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Now first we will solve this case first. Then case first is 3 power x minus 4 power x, this is equals to 0. Then here if we add both side 4 power x, then in left hand side 3 power x, and this is equals to 4 power x. Look carefully this problem. Here 3 power x, this is equals to 4 power x. It is true if and only if when x is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 0, but look carefully. The given expression is 3 power x minus 4 power x and divided by square root of 12 power x minus 16 power x. Here in left hand side, if x is replaced by 0, then 3 power 0, that is 1, minus 4 power 0, that is 1, and divided by square root of 12 power 0, that is 1, minus 16 power 0, that is 1, then this is 0 over 0, and we know that 0 over 0 is indeterminate form. And in left hand side indeterminate form, and in right hand side this is 1. So that's why x is equals to 0 is not solution. Now solve case second. Case second is 3 power x minus 4 power x minus 4 power x. This is equals to 0. 3 power x minus 4 power x minus 4 power x, and this is equals to 0. Here 3 power x minus 4 power x minus 4 power x, that is minus 2 times 4 power x, and this is equals to 0. Now 3 power x, this is equals to 2 times 4 power x. Now here if we divide both sides 4 power x, and here if we divide by 4 power x, then in left hand side we will apply this rule, a power m divide by b power m. This is equals to a over b bracket power m. Then in left hand side we can say 3 over 4 bracket power x, and this is equals to, here in right hand side this 4 power x and this 4 power x is cancel out, then here 2. Here 3 over 4 bracket power x, this is equals to 2. Now if we take natural log both side, then here ln and here ln. Now we know that ln a power b, this is equals to b times ln a. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then this expression is x times ln 3 over 4, and this is equals to ln 2. Now if we divide both sides, ln 3 over 4 and here divide by ln 3 over 4, then this and this expression is cancelled out, then value of x is ln 2 divided by ln 3 over 4. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.